Have you ever thought about upcycling? Transforming waste into something new and useful. It's a fantastic way to reduce waste and give wings to your creativity, but like any other venture, it does come with its own set of challenges. The first hurdle you might face is finding suitable materials. Then, there's the question of inspiration. What should you create? And of course, there's the skill set you need to bring your vision to life. Lastly, upcycling requires time and patience. But don't worry, here are 5 tips to help you navigate these challenges and make your upcycling projects a success. Firstly, start with a plan. Before you dive into an upcycling project, take some time to think about what you want to create, the materials you'll need, and the skills required. A well-thought-out plan can be the difference between success and failure. Secondly, do your research. There's a wealth of resources available to help you find inspiration and learn about upcycling. Books, websites, online communities, all can provide valuable insights. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to tackle your project. Thirdly, if you're new to upcycling, start with small projects. It's like learning to swim. You don't jump into the deep end right away. Start in the shallow end, learn the ropes, and then gradually move to bigger projects. Fourthly, don't hesitate to ask for help. If you're stuck, ask a friend, a family member, or even an expert. There are countless online communities full of upcyclers who would be more than happy to offer advice and assistance. To sum up, with a little planning, research, and a willingness to start small and seek help when needed, you can make your upcycling projects a success. Remember, upcycling is not just about reducing waste. It's about expressing your creativity and creating something beautiful from what was once considered waste. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Until next time, happy upcycling. In the voiceover, before we wrap this up, we'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Your support allows us to continue creating content like this. And of course, don't forget to share your own upcycling projects with us in the comments section. We love seeing your creativity at work. Stay tuned for more upcycling tips and tricks, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy upcycling.